What is Gucci Fresh, everyone? Welcome back to my channel with me, Sarah Farrugia. I think I'm either coming down with a cold or I have really bad allergies. My allergenist won't respond to me, so I have no idea what I'm allergic to, so I apologize about my voice in advance. She's a little raspy. I am like dying of heat today, and I literally set, excuse me? What is this white snowfall in my hair? I don't know what's wrong with me right now. I'm just overheating, I'm dying. But I didn't post last week for the last 3 weeks actually. So I thought we would come at you with a nice natural makeup tutorial because I've actually never done a natural makeup tutorial on my page other than back 5 years ago in the Red Room. If you guys haven't made it to the end of my YouTube page, the Red Room existed one day because my room was red and I wanted to be a makeup artist, so I just called it the Red Room and did makeup tutorials in it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, also known as the Red Room. So if you guys want to check that out, maybe I'll link it up here down below. We're not doing skincare today, but we are gonna do a little natural everyday makeup tutorial. This is literally what I do every day. Okay, sorry, what? Not every day. I like barely wear makeup. The only time I do wear makeup is like if I'm going out or yeah, usually when I'm hanging out with someone I'm wearing no makeup because I'm too lazy. Guess what I got? A brand new beauty blender. It was long overdue. The other one had like holes in it. I hope you guys have all been good. I'm kind of going through a little not sure what to do with my life currently, and I know a lot of people are right now. I obviously love YouTube and I want to continue doing it, but I think I kind of want to change up the vibe. I kind of want to start like a show of some sort. But that's in the works, you know, that's in the brain, and hopefully it just comes out of my brain sometime soon because I'm ready to get started on it. I kind of wanted to do like a vibey makeup tutorial. It's Thursday night if you're watching this right when it comes out, and I feel like it's rainy outside, it's a vibe, and I'm just gonna make this a very like relaxing, chill makeup tutorial. I don't know, something to vibe to, I guess. Make sure you start off with your skincare because I know a lot of people that will be like,
well, my skin's not glowing like under my makeup.
Because you don't do skincare, babe. Or if you do it, I get it. Like I had acne for a bit and I had to use like salicylic acid and like things like that, which dry your skin out, but make sure you got a good skincare routine. First thing I'm using is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Foundation in 4 medium, and usually like I love glowy bases, so usually this is the only thing I'm wearing. I'm not gonna put on foundation today, but if I do, I usually would wear the NARS Sheer Glow, but I'm gonna tag everything below, so if you guys want to like get anything. I put the makeup on like the high points of my face, and then if I'm actually wearing foundation, I'll put it like everywhere, but this is not a foundation. It's like for under your foundation, because you'll see I'll be a glowy disco ball in 5 seconds. I look like Aquaman, and most of the time I just put on sunscreen, and the sunscreen, like if you guys have ever used a Goop glow screen, it's so nice, but it just gives you that nice little, oh my god, my frickin' nose. Did anyone hear that, or was it that just like an internal squeak in my eye? Sorry, what? A squeak in my ear? Guys, I'm going through it. Who is this Lynette Con tomato looking ass? And I know most of you have a beauty blender that is over 3 months old. It is time to get a new one, sweets. It is time, okay? If there's dog bites in it, there are clams crawling inside, it's time to get a new one. Next, I go in with the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. I love, this has like been my concealer for so, frick. I do bronzer first. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, this is kind of like my favorite product at the moment, and it is the Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand in dark. I know it's been like sold out on Sephora, but just go onto their main website and you get like a bunch of free little like trials too on there. What is it called? Trials? Like samples, sorry, on their website. Sephora kind of sucks for restocking. Hello. And this is what I do. I do a little bit up here. Never do your contour down here. That's what makes you look like you have a saggy face. And then I take this brush, if it's even in here. Oh my god, it's my favorite brush. What? Okay guys, I'm so sorry, I have no idea where it is. Oh, it's right here. This is literally from Il Makiage. Do you guys remember that like that advertisement that always pops up and it's like your perfect foundation match? That's literally what this is from. They sent me products like 10 years ago and I still love this brush. So if you have like a kabuki brush, I think that's what they're called, you can literally get them anywhere. Something that's like flat, I usually like to press this in with, and then I go in with my beauty blender. Okay, it looks a bit wild right now. Cream just like literally goes away. It just like sinks into your skin. It's like, where did you go? Like, what did I put on? I go in with the little forehead contour. Of course you want to do the jawline. Guys, I want to know where all you are from. Can you guys comment down below where you're from? I really want to travel somewhere. I kind of want to go to Malta. That's like where my dad's from. Okay, no, he's literally from here, but like that's like, I'm Maltese, half Italian, half Maltese. Okay, sorry, I'm mostly gonna do nose contour. But yeah, I've just been wanting to travel and I'm just like at this point where I don't know what to do. I do know what to do, it's like in front of me, but like I don't know what to do. So yeah, let me know if I can crash on your couch, and I'm just gonna buy a plane ticket and see you soon. And then I go in with my concealer because the concealer like brightens it up and will give it the lines. I don't know why I do it before my bronzer now. Sorry, after my bronzer, but I'm just living for it. And then we go up here, little sliceroo. I do a little bit on here and the tip of my nose. Freaking starving. If any of y'all are from Toronto, I think I do want to live there at some point. I just need an excuse to live there. Which could be like my mental health failing and flying in the toilet. But like I don't have the money right now. It's fine. And then I'll go in with Laura Mercier. I've heard the Huda Beauty one is so good, like the under eye setting powder. So maybe try the Huda Beauty one. Oh. That was rude. Toilet's popping off right now. Okay, this toilet's not gonna shut up right now, but I pretty much am just gonna put it on. There we go. I'm just gonna put on any points. I look really greasy, but at the end I'll end up going over it. Did you guys know that I went to makeup school? That was like the only schooling I kind of have currently, but you know what? Life lessons is school, and I've had many years of that, so. But I kind of want to go take a journalism course or something. But yeah, I went to Los Angeles for makeup school, if you guys didn't know that. I am from London, Ontario, Canada. Now I'm gonna go in with Huda Beauty bronzer quick. Nope, not Huda Beauty. I'm gonna go with Benefit Hoola bronzer. You want to set all your cream products with a powdered product, or else it's literally just gonna be like gone in 10 minutes. But yeah guys, I went to makeup school in LA. When I graduated high school, I went right there. That was like my university, like right after high school, and I would not trade that for the world. Like it was so fun, and I met some of my lifelong best friends there, like Emmy, Gianna, Atlanta, the whole squad. But yeah, if you're graduating high school right now and don't know what you're doing, babe, I'm 22, I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're just gonna go with the flow. This is like a nice little journal, okay? It's like a verbal journal for myself, and I really need it right now. For brows, I kind of just go all over the place. Like I'm not even done with my face. Whatever speaks to me, I'm like, okay, we're gonna do that next. Next, I use the Benefit 24-hour setting gel. I usually use the Anastasia like wax thing, the wax gel, but I'm not really feeling that right now. Guys, my brows used to be so thick. I could literally braid it, but I have this thing called trichotillomania, and I like to pull out my eyebrows because my anxiety sucks. You know what? I still like them. I kind of like them thinner anyway, like they were a bit too big back then, but when I do my wax, I'll usually go in with the pomade, and I love the Benefit one. Shout out Benefit, I just love Benefit. For this brow look, I'm just gonna go in with my NYX brow pencil. It is the micro pencil. I'm doing my eyebrows so far away from the mirror, I literally can't see. I got into makeup because my cousin's girlfriend at the time, which is now wife, told me that Shoppers Beauty Boutique was hiring. For all my Canadian girls, you know what Shoppers Beauty Boutique is. It's like CVS but in Canada, but like CVS, there's so many other CVS's. There's like Rite Aid and stuff. Like we only have like one drugstore, to be honest, and it's Shoppers Drug Mart. So anyway, they have like a beauty side. If you guys need points, just buy your makeup from there, because you'll literally on 20 times the points days and you buy some makeup online, like literally like Laura Mercier, NARS, literally everything you can imagine, so much skincare. And if you buy your makeup and skincare on 20 times points days, babe, you're racking up the points. Like Sephora could never. I'm sorry, but Sephora's point system is literally terrible. I don't think I've used my points once, and I'm not even at that many points. Well, I do. I think I have like 2,000 points, but like, what can it get me? A freaking lip balm? Like, isn't that like $2,000 worth of makeup? And from Shoppers, I just bought a Nintendo Switch and used 300,000 points, which is $300. So get saving. Okay, back to face. This is the Danessa Myricks blush. I don't have the Rare Beauty one, but this one's like super similar. This is like the secret. Don't put it onto your face like that. What you're gonna do is you're going to put a little bit on your middle finger. I just start with a bit and then add more if I want. And take these two fingers and rub them together. And then we're gonna press into the skin. I did not put enough because blush kind of goes away pretty easy. Very simple, very fresh. Because sometimes when you put it right onto your skin, it's like and you can't forget about the nose. Trust me, this blush is literally gonna say peace out in about 5 minutes. But I go over it with a little, my bronzer brush, and that's all I do for blush. This right here is my secret, nope, that's not the right one. This right here is my secret product that I have to wear. And if I'm not wearing makeup, I'm wearing this. It is fake freckles. I literally roasted fake freckles. Guys, I never even wiped off my powder. This is what I mean. I'm sure it like evaporated or something. This is the Lottie London Deep Freckle Tin for my Canadian queens. I don't think we can get this in Canada. So maybe make a trip to Ulta. I remember it was sold out for a bit, but you know, we'll get it back in town. So I just do this. I'll do like, this is really hard because I'm really far away from the mirror. I'll do like that many, and then I go boom, 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 and just like press it in. And then sometimes if it's like too much, take that beauty blender. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. Sometimes I look like a crazy person with like 5 million freckles on my face, but it's the vibe. I don't know, I just like never had freckles growing up, and I just like really like them now. You know, when you do your makeup and you're like, okay, something's missing, it's the freckles. And quick tip, if you guys ever have like a pimple, you can just cover it up with freckles or cover it up like as a mole. That's what I usually do. Eyes are my least favorite part because I hate taking off mascara and kind of putting it on. Whatever. Check out my eyeshadow palette. Should probably get a new one, right? It's literally exploded everywhere. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe brushes from 1942. Guys, I'm not an eyeshadow girl anymore. Like, I need new brushes, but like, Morphe, why are your brushes $15 a piece when they're literally probably 3 cents to make? I'm sorry, but like I can't come to terms with buying 4 brushes for $50. Like, isn't Morphe supposed to be like cheap? Okay, this is literally the worst eyeshadow I've ever seen in my life. Can you guys tell I'm going absolutely nowhere tonight? And I just kind of wanted to show you this for fun. Again, I'm not even looking in the mirror right now. You know what? Let's look in this great mirror where I can see everything. Literally looking inside a sandstorm right now. We should make a petition for Miley Cyrus to go on Hannah Montana tour. I would literally give my whole bank account away to see that. Like, imagine kind of like ordinary girl in the crowd. I'm just an ordinary girl. Sometimes I'm angry, I get bored. Okay, we're going with a little angle brush. Benefit. Ooh. I love doing this. It just like adds something without adding anything. I just got this new eyelash curler. It's from Tweezerman. I don't know my feelings on this yet. Lottie London, once again. You don't need this. I just literally got it for free, so I usually use this. I actually do like this mascara. I use like 4 mascaras, by the way. So this is the first coat. This is how I apply it. I like to blink. I've actually been using an eyelash serum for a really long time, but the one I use is over $100 and I ran out, and I just bought this one from Amazon, so I'll keep you guys updated on how that is. And I go in with the queen herself, the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I freaking love this mascara. It's the Better Than Sex dupe, and personally I think it's better than Sex dupe. Sorry, that made no sense. Obviously there is something better. I don't know, I haven't tried that one in such a long time, so I can't really like judge it, but paying that much for mascara makes me ill. But there's certain things I pay for that people probably think I'm ill for. So okay, and then I take this brush. I'll kind of just take the leftover of the brown, or I'll add a bit more. Oh wait, I didn't even do lips. Shh. Okay, I don't think I have a lip gloss down here. We're using lip balm today, but this is the MAC lip liner I use. It's in Whirl. I don't really overline that much. I think the only thing I like to do when I line my lips is do this part and do like a little extra there. And then if I'm looking for like a lot extra, I do this and I connect my cupids bow. See how it makes your lips go like this? Bruh. I honestly don't know where my lip gloss is, but I'll usually go over with like Vaseline or something anyway. This little Burt's Bees action. Okay, my camera literally just said RIP and died, but we just brought it back to life. Yeah, this is the little natural makeup look. Should we do a little montage? I actually couldn't breathe the whole time. I hope you guys enjoyed that. But guys, I'm actually doing a TikTok trend today because I'm a TikTok queen. But we're gonna finish that right now. By the time this video's up, hopefully the TikTok's up, go check her out. That's it from Mama Sarah over here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I might go to the beach later. Apparently it's a full moon tonight. I really don't know what any of that means, but like it's an excuse to go to the beach and write stuff down and look at the waves. So I'm probably just gonna do that and vibe out. I hope you have a Gucci fresh night, and I will see you hopefully next Thursday if I come up with an idea. I love you guys. Have a good night and stay safe and healthy and fresh. Love you.